Welcome to the Python Full Stack Developer course by Network Rhinos. A complete, job-oriented program designed to launch your IT career with confidence. Python Full Stack is one of the most in-demand career paths in tech today. Did you know that over 70% of modern applications are built using full-stack technologies? This course trains you to work on Frontend, Backend, database, cloud, and version control tools, making you a complete developer. Here's what you'll master. Frontend, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, JS or Angular. Backend, Python, Django, Flask, REST APIs. Database, MySQL, MongoDB, NoSQL. Cloud deployment, basics of AWS. Duration, weekdays, 3 months, daily 1.5 hours. Each topic is followed by hands-on labs, ensuring you apply what you learn immediately. When you join, you'll receive t-shirt, notebook, pen, keychain, eBooks, Python for beginners, resume templates and interview questions. Placements start from the second month of the course. We help you with resume building, LinkedIn and Naukri profile setup, and interview preparation. At Network Rhinos, we don't just teach, we mentor. Get real-time doubt support, lifetime access to study materials,